Kyani has created a compensation plan that pays out over 52% of all global revenue to our business partners. Each revenue stream was created to reward a specific positive step that our partners take to build a strong and stable business. There are many revenue streams from our lucrative customer program where you will earn substantial margins. As a Kyani distributor, you will earn the difference between the wholesale cost and the sale price, plus other bonuses and incentives. We also have significant rewards for distributors that introduce other strategic partners to Kyani. Our matching check program allows you to earn up to 15% from certain income generated by your team and is unparalleled in the network marketing industry. This concept is one that is common in major industries like real estate, insurance, medical and law practices. Just imagine a matching percentage from many partners within your organization. One completely unique component of the Kyani compensation plan is the Paygate Accumulator. With a total of 12 paygates, this is one of the most lucrative of all Kyani revenue streams, allowing you to receive a commission on sales that happen within your organization. As your organization grows and as specific qualifications are met, a new paygate is opened up to you, increasing your commissions. It is important to understand that one paygate is not just one partner, but can represent you receiving commissions on dozens or even hundreds of partners within your team. As your organization grows, you'll be recognized among your peers as a top leader, receive rank bonuses ranking from $5,000 all the way up to $1 million, and participate in the Kyani Dream Car program, designed to get you behind the wheel of a luxury car while still in the early stages of building your business. You'll also earn team bonuses, longevity bonuses, exotic vacation getaways, and more. The Kyani compensation plan was created to reward you with lucrative revenue streams. Kyani distributors receive a weekly bonus for purchases their customers make and for expanding their organization. They also receive substantial monthly checks representing the commissions from the Paygate Accumulator and the lucrative matching check program. Kyani's business opportunity has made a life-changing impact on thousands of people, from school teachers and construction workers to doctors and engineers. Whatever your background is, Kyani can help you to achieve financial freedom too. If you choose today to become a Kyani distributor, you'll have immediate access to powerful tools that will help you share Kyani products with others. Your customer base will be a key factor in the strength and longevity of your Kyani business. Another way to grow your business's income is to find others who are interested in sharing better health and financial freedom with others, and begin building your own team of distributors. A good first step in this process is to reach the Jade rank. This is done by reaching a monthly qualifying volume of 2,000 in a minimum of 2 legs. This volume can be a combination of new customers and distributors. You'll receive customer bonuses, team bonuses, and paygate bonuses based on their purchases. Additionally, if you do this within your first 31 days and hold the Jade rank for 2 more months, you'll be eligible for a fast start bonus of up to $600. As a Jade, you would now earn an average of $298 per month in commissions. That's over $3,500 per year in extra income that might cover a motorcycle, boat payment, or a family vacation. As you continue to bring in new customers and help your distributor team members to achieve Jade themselves, you'll soon have the qualifying volume to reach the Sapphire rank, making an average of $1,561 in monthly commissions. That's over $18,000 annually, which would cover an average home mortgage, with hundreds left over for shopping money. At Sapphire, you'll also qualify for Kyani's Dream Car program, allowing you to drive the luxury car of your dreams. A successful Kyani business is simple. Build a customer base and help distributors that join your team to duplicate what you did to reach Jade. As your team grows, you'll reach higher ranks, such as Ruby, which makes an average of $3,569 in monthly commissions. If you include the monthly Dream Car bonus, your annual Kyani income as a Ruby would be approaching the average US annual income of $53,657. The average Kyani Diamond makes $13,895 per month. which amounts to more than $160,000 per year. That would put you in the top 5% of US household income, earning more than the average lawyer, dentist or IT manager. Greater ranks yield even greater results. As thousands of Kyani business owners can attest, this kind of financial freedom is not only attainable, it's well within your reach. Let's start your journey today, and we'll see you at Jade in 31 days.